Temperature control, the key to getting the most out of your fractional distillation. You see, the whole process relies on those differences in boiling points between the liquids in the mixture. So, if we can't maintain tight control over the temperatures in the distillation column, things can get a little messy. Too low of a temperature, and the vapors won't rise up high enough to separate properly. But crank it up too high, and you might end up vaporizing the wrong components or even cracking some of those delicate molecules. It's a real balancing act, let me tell you. The best distillers know how to dial in those temperatures just right, adjusting them as the mixture moves through the column. It's kind of like baking a cake. You need to have the oven at the perfect temp to get that fluffy, golden result. Same deal with fractional distillation. Precision is the name of the game. If you're looking for exercises to test your knowledge, there is a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video so far and want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.